Hi guys, this is a video on Windows software. I'm actually recording this video from my Asus ePC, and I apologise if there's any sound issues or anything like that. Now, with my Asus ePC, I don't have that much desktop resolutions or desktop space. I have 800 by 480, which isn't that much. Now, to increase this desktop space, I can use something called virtual desktops, and I've explained this before, and I've shown a program called VirtualDub. Now, I've tried this out. Well, I've used it for quite a while, but I noticed that when I wanted to do things, I found myself downloading modules for it, adding them in, enabling them, configuring them, and all things like that. I started to look for a new solution without the need to get these extra modules, and I found a program called Virtual Dimension. The program is free. I'll provide the link in the description, and it's really good. It has everything I want in it. So I'll just be showing you it. So let's run it. So straight away, I've run it, and I now have this this sort of window in the corner, and it says Desk Naught on it, and it's got images of what I have in my taskbar. So Cam Studio, which is what I'm actually using to record this video. So it's obviously showing me the applications that are inside Desk Naught. Now, if I was to go to the taskbar icon and click Configure, you can see there's some options here, always on top. So this will apply to this virtual dimension window here. This is close to tray, auto switch desktop, and mouse warp. Now I've ticked mouse warp to show you it. And if I then go into desktops, you can see it says Desk Naught. If I want to change the name of this, I can. I'll just go to Configure. You can see it says Desk Naught, the wallpaper of Desk Naught, and you can see it's got a preview of the wallpaper, and a hotkey for it, and the colour of it. So that is one thing that we had to download a module in VirtualWin to do, and this does it automatically. So we can give that a new name. So if I say, I don't know, home. I apologise if you can hear me typing or anything, because it's using the built-in mic. So that now says home. I'm going to click insert. You can see it's now added Desk 1, which was from Desk 0, and I can keep pressing insert as much as I want. Now I'm just going to go out to Desk 3, so you can see it's now added in this window: Home, Desk 1, Desk 2, Desk 3. So I can then switch between these desktops. Now there's a couple of ways I can do this. I can actually just drag my mouse, because I enabled that mouse warp feature. I can just drag my mouse over and it's switched to Desk 1. Or I can actually click on this and say click to home, click to Desk 1. Now you won't see, but as I've done that, it's actually got a little on-screen display here. I'll try and get over to it so you can see Desk 1. So it actually comes up with an on-screen display as well, which is handy because you can also use keyboard shortcuts, which is in the Shortcuts tab. So you can go through your desktops, and the OSD, which is that little thing you saw with the text, you can configure that with its own font, its background. You can have it not have a shade, so it can just come up as the text. You can make it transparent. You can make this box transparent as well if you go to the display, and you can just make that transparent if you want to. So it's a really full-featured program which just has everything you need. And also another great feature of it, if I was to start Firefox, now I don't think this is available in VirtualWin, but it actually adds a context menu to the title bar. So I right click and it says Virtual Dimension, and I can send this application to another desktop, or I can change it, or I can go to properties, or I can make it transparent, or I can minimize it to tray. A lot of those different things that you get with these applications. So it's very useful to have. If like me, I have a low resolution on my desktop on this mini PC, so it's well worth getting. Now another thing you can do, another great feature, say I've got Mozilla Firefox, oops, I've just switched by accident. Say I've got Firefox in my window here, and I want to switch that onto Desk 3. What I can actually do is click this icon and drag it to Desk 3. Let go. It's now on Desk 3. It stays on Home, but I've dragged it onto Desk 3. So very good features, easy to use. I really like it. I'll provide the download link in the description. Thanks for watching my video. Please comment, rate, subscribe if you like my videos, and thanks again.